There are many ways you can attempt to define Chicago. You can define her by her people, her favorite sons, and her favorite daughters. Or you could define Chicago by the firsts that happened here, inventions that illuminated, delighted, and redefined our understanding of what's possible. But perhaps the greatest way to define Chicago is through her architecture and the daring, inventive, and iconic buildings that make Chicago's skyline so unique. Next on the horizon, on this historic site, where the river meets the lake, another symbol of Chicago's architectural greatness is set to emerge. Twin jewels that will complete the river walk and connect to the revitalized Dueto Park. A towering testament to the spirit of Chicago, connecting us to the city, to nature, and to each other. This is 400 Lakeshore Drive.